Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with your DELL Inspiron 3530 laptop. First of all, let's go to the control center on our laptop and make sure that the Bluetooth is active. To do that, click one of these three icons on your taskbar and then make sure that the Bluetooth is the blue color, and if it's not, then click on the Bluetooth icon. Then click the arrow icon next to your Bluetooth icon, and then you're going to have to make sure that your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. When it's in pairing mode, the lights on it are flashing rapidly, and usually to put your device into pairing mode, you have to simply hold down the home button or the power button on your device for about 5 seconds. And once you see your Bluetooth device right here, just click on it and let your laptop connect to it. And right now, your device is paired with your DELL laptop. And if you want to disconnect it, just click on this device once again, then click disconnect. If you want to unpair it, go to more Bluetooth settings, then click this three-dot icon in the top right corner of your device and select remove device. Now this way you will fully unpair this device from your computer. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.